Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company, and here we have the Jaguar F-Type R on a 17 plate. As you can see, I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside of it from there. From the outside, you can of course see that it's a 3-door car with those black alloy wheels. We're going to start off inside the boot space first. As we approach the back of the car, you can see we have those 4 tailpipes unique to the R variant of the F-Type. Plenty of boot space as well. We've even got a spare wheel in there currently. Of course, you can remove that should you wish to increase this space further. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car, and as I mentioned, we'll then hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it from there. Now that we've done a full circle though, firstly you can see the alloy wheels are in pristine condition, as is the bodywork the entire way around this great looking car. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials first of all. On the left-hand side, we have the speedometer. We have the rev counter on the right-hand side. In the centre, you can see the fuel gauge, coolant temperature gauge, the main trip computer, and the total miles for this car. They are only 35,447, so very low mileage for the car's age. To the right-hand side of that, it will show you what gear this car is in. It's an automatic. We, of course, are in park currently. If we move over just slightly towards the door here, you can see we have controls for your electrically adjustable driver seat. Exactly the same available on the passenger side as you see here, including 3 different memory positions for this seat, and again for the passenger seat. We can also lock and unlock the car doors from this side as well. And you can see there we have a Meridian hi-fi system, so really good surround sound system in this vehicle. Moving on to the steering wheel next, we have our stereo controls, we have cruise control and speed limiter, the minus and plus pedal so you can change up and down a gear manually with this automatic gearbox. Into the center, the main touchscreen. So we're on the home screen at the moment, where you can access, amongst other things, your audio, of course. The radio in this car consists of DAB, so digital radio, AM and FM, and you can see those highlighted just there. Back to the home screen again, you can access your climate control menu, where you can change the direction the air is being distributed in. Back to the home screen again, and we do have physical controls for that. I'm going to come to that in just a moment. You can pair your phone up from that bottom left-hand corner, and from the bottom right-hand corner we have satellite navigation, as you can see. If I pop the vehicle into reverse, we have a full colour reversing camera as well. Below that screen are the physical controls for your climate control, so you can adjust the passenger and driver temperature. You can increase and decrease the fan speed within the car as well. You can determine the direction of the air using the main screen, of course. And once you've done that, below that section, we can turn the air conditioning off and on again, or hit auto. In doing so, the car will now maintain those temperatures by taking full control of the fan speed for you. We can start and stop the engine from here. We can remove this for a 12-volt charging socket underneath that. The gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox is visible here, of course. Main volume for the stereo. You can change the driving setup of the car depending on road conditions, weather conditions, and whatever mode you put it in, you can see up on this screen. So you can put dynamic mode, snow, ice. You can turn that off to put it back into a regular mode, or you can put it in dynamic if you wish to, and then obviously turning that off will just give you the normal settings for this car. Lastly, we can adjust or turn on and off, I should say, the traction control. We can turn the loud exhaust system on with a push of that button and back off again. We can raise and lower the boot spoiler. We can turn the stop and start on and off, and we have an electronic handbrake for the car just there, and then 2 cup holders. The last thing I wanted to mention is the panoramic glass roof. So the glass section itself is fixed in place, but as you can see, that lets in a huge amount of extra light to this cabin area. The last thing I wanted to mention is the paperwork we have for the vehicle. So firstly, in this envelope is the spare key. So we have 2 keys in total. The V5 registration document for the car, showing it's a 2-owner vehicle from new. And this is a printout from Jaguar. So this is just services done by Jaguar themselves for 2017, 2017, 2019, 2020, 21, 22 and 2024. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, or you'd like a live bespoke video tour, please feel free to give us a call here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. We'd love to hear from you.